The Finance Ministry has said the Reserve Bank of India's latest move to tighten money supply will help moderate inflation. Meanwhile, analysts on the other hand have forecast a further tightening of key rates to suck excess liquidity out of the system and has expressed mixed reactions on this. Take a look at the detailed report.
The cash reserve ratio and repo rate. While signaling that the days of high inflation are far from over, the RBI is also indicating that credit growth continues to be beyond the RBI's target levels. With a hike in rates was expected given the high inflation, the degree of the hike was a surprise and would lead to hike in interest rates.
The Reserve Bank has been taking steps to curb the inflation. They have increased the CRR few times. They have increased the repo rate, the reverse repo rate, the signal rate, giving a very clear signal that interest rates are hardening. We have increased our PLR effective 1st of July by 50 basis points.
Further, the rate hike would put pressure on margins of banks. Vice President Advisory Desk of PNB Paribas Private Banking, Joydeep Sen, said that the obvious impact of the drastic rate hike measures would bring additional pressures on the bank being forced to borrow overnight funds at 9% in a situation where visible liquidity is tightened and moreover having to sacrifice further amounts in non-remunerative CRR balances. Further, with the hike in key lending rates, Joydeep said that commercial and consumer loans, including for car and homes, will cost more.
वो तो वैसे नेगेटिव ही असर आएगा, लेकिन अभी कुछ दिनों की बात है. For the long term, we are optimistic on loan rates, on home loans and on other loans. What we can hope is that going forward, rates may come down over a period of time. As and when inflation comes down over a period of time, we can hope and we can look forward to some bit of flattening out of rates.
Meanwhile, Harsh Rungta, CEO of ApnaLoan.com, said that one must be prepared for further tightening with monetary policy going forward, as it is determined to bring inflationary expectations under control.
ये जो स्टेप्स लिए गए हैं क्लियरली डिमांड को कम करने के लिए लिए गए हैं. ब्याज की दरें जो सिग्नलिंग रेट्स हैं, चाहे वो रिपो रेट हो, चाहे सीआरआर रेट हो, सीआरआर से भी इफेक्ट होता है बैंकों को. तो क्लियरली ये सिग्नल है कि इंटरेस्ट रेट्स जो है पूरी इकोनॉमी में बढ़ेंगी. तो जो लोग सेव करते हैं उनके लिए रेट्स बढ़ेंगी, उनके लिए भी बढ़ेंगी. और लेकिन जो लोग बोरो कर रहे हैं, और अब एक भारत की आम आदमी का बहुत बड़ा हिस्सा अब बोरो करता है, तो उसमें क्लियरली इफेक्ट होगा. जिन्होंने ऑलरेडी लोन ले रखे हैं, चाहे घर के लोन ले रखे हैं, नॉर्मली वो फ्लोटिंग रेट पर होते हैं, तो उस पर क्लियरली इम्पैक्ट होना चाहिए. वो अगले 2-3 दिन में पता चलेगा. और नई डिमांड पर जो लोग नया आज घर लेना चाहते हैं या कार लेना चाहते हैं, उस पे भी इसका इफेक्ट होगा जब ब्याज की दरें बढ़ेगी.
Furthermore, reacting to the RBI steps, MD and CEO with IDBI Guilds, NS Venkatesh, said that RBI has taken right steps in order to tame down the inflation.
इन्फ्लेशन में काबू करने के लिए रेट हाइक चाहिए था. इंडस्ट्रियल ग्रोथ आप देखेंगे तो IIP प्रोडक्शन नंबर्स इफ यू लुक एट इट, वो तो थोड़ा डिसलेट हुआ था. लेकिन अभी का वक्त पे inflation control, inflation management takes priority over the industrial production. And आप देखेंगे तो ये inflation manage कर दिया तो कॉमन मैन का हाथ में सरप्लस आ जाएगा, फिर वापस वो स्पेंडिंग करेगा, वो सरप्लस से स्पेंडिंग करेगा तो IIP numbers will start going up.
Meanwhile, industry gives a thumbs down to the monetary policy. The industry chamber FICCI has said the RBI should have acted to stimulate investment and generate supply to tackle inflation.
What it should be doing, in our view, is to create conditions to stimulate investment, supply, and tackle inflation through excess goods and services being produced to meet the demand, which is higher than supply, and bring back the confidence in the economy among entrepreneurs, small, medium, and large, to go strongly to produce more, to give to the market more.
ASSOCHAM President Sajjan Jindal has also said tightening of money supply may lead to a fall in the overall business confidence, with companies postponing their investment plan in the time to come. With inputs of Divya Suri, Priyanka Saxeria's report, DD News, Mumbai.